Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Sometimes I just gotta laugh. There's hundred ways to make this. Y'all all recognize it, the Mitsubishi motor logo. But if somebody sent me a video and the person who did it does this, and it's almost kind of comical. He took a rectangle and with the ratio unlocked, made it 4.5 by 4. And I'm going to hit P, put it in the center of the page. Then he took a 2-point line. So look at all the steps. I'm not going to count it, but there's a couple already. And then I'm going to hit P. And then he had to take his rectangle and turn it into a curve. Take the shape tool and bring that node to that point. Bring that node to that point. Whoop, I think I missed it. And see, that's the way I'm going to do it. You can't really mess it up. So I'm going to take the shape tool. Maybe it'd be better to hold down the control button. Then he takes away the center line. And he makes a duplicate of this. And then he locks his ratio and makes this 1.5. Now he moved it manually. I'm going to hit B to put it to the bottom. So I don't know if you're counting steps, but it's kind of comical. And he's not talking, it's music I'm not saying this is wrong, but that's what the person wanted to know, if there was an easier way to do it. And then I always go on there, and then I take that. Then I take a 2-point line and go horizontally and place it right here in the middle. Well, you can see my star from the logo now. Whoop, and see, maybe you're gonna have a leak. I see where that leaks now. I didn't run that line far enough. So always better to do it with the pick tool than the shape tool, because you're gonna get that same angle. Now let's get the Smart Fill tool and fill that in. So there's that logo. Exactly, it's perfect. But much easier way to do it, holding down the control button. We're going to take the polygon tool on a polygon on 3-sided. Hold down the control button. That way it makes it perfect. Control D to make a duplicate. While holding down the control button, do this. Just mirror it. Then weld it. Control D, make a duplicate. Move the center rotation and rotate it 120 degrees. Control D. And there is the logo. No different than his, just quite a few less steps. Now, to make sure it's perfect, just to make sure it is perfect, let's group this together, Control G, Control D, and center rotation to here. And let's rotate it just 60 degrees. And that just shows you that it's a perfect shape because there's no lines crossing over. And that'd be another way to do it. Make a 6-sided star, but the way I did it, it can't get any faster than that. The control button is a big deal. It makes everything perfect. Anyway, I hope that answered that gentleman's question, and thank you for watching.